Today is sort of a combo, right? Because what is an elevator pitch? I'm going to take you on the elevator with me. An elevator pitch may sound like a marketing tool, so not necessarily a thing that's going to make you money today, but I'm telling you guys, if you do this correctly, if you do an elevator pitch correctly, you will get a referral, and it might be today. It just depends on how you do it. I'm not, this isn't my original idea. I'm not making, this isn't a Kate Walker Training patented thing. Elevator pitches have been around forever. Some people call them 30-second speeches. You know, everybody's got a name for it. So definitely Google the term, see what you like out there. I've posted a few on our Badass Business group page. But I've been listening to the Tim Ferriss blog for a long, long time. And the one I just finished listening to where they're interviewing a man named Chip Connolly. And if you don't know Chip Connolly, I didn't know who Chip Connolly was. I had to Google him. Wow. Oh my gosh. The things this person has done. And it is I'll tell you exactly, it's the Chip Connolly, Tim Ferriss podcast number 374. And as you listen to this guy talk about his life, talk about the things he's done, Richard Branson wrote the foreword for his book. What you get is a very, very clear understanding how careful he is talking about who he is, right? So an elevator speech is made up of parts, right? And the first part is, who are you? So I'm just going to read. I was taking some notes. I'm going to tell you some of the things that this person started with or talked throughout this podcast. First of all, his why. Simon Sinek talks about discovering your why when you're forming your business, right? So he formed his business because he wanted creativity and freedom. Now, he's described himself, as far as I can tell, two ways. The first part of his life, he described himself as a boutique hotelier. In the second part of his life, he's describing himself as the world's leading expert on festivals. So that's pretty specific, right? Well, as therapists, we get to be even more specific. And if you have taken my Badass Business course, if you have attended any of my trainings about private practice, enjoying your ethical, profitable private practice, I talk about this, who are you, right? I am a therapist, I am a helper, I'm a counselor, I'm a social worker, I am, right? This I am helps this person standing across from you understand exactly who you are, what you do, right? So the first part, the who am I, and folks, we change our identities all the time. I mean, maybe you get a divorce, maybe you get an illness. We can change anything about ourselves at any time. So how you conceptualize yourself, hi, my name is, and I help, and then you fill in that blank. So the first part is who you are. The second part is, what do you have, or what do you own, or who do you represent? Right? So I'm Dr. Kate Walker, and I own AchieveBalance.org. Now you might have a few more seconds and you can describe where it's located. AchieveBalance.org is a marriage and family therapy practice located in the Woodlands, Texas, just around the corner in Market Street, right? You memorize that. And so, hi, my name, this is who I am, this is what I own. Now, this is the part where people get messy, right? How do we help? You know, I spend so much time on how do we help, because as a counselor, you get wrapped up in this whole thing like what we're doing is voodoo or something, right? So, well, it's a difficult process and counseling's hard to explain.